How to order foreign currency from Bank of America. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to order foreign currency from Bank of America. First, open the Bank of America website or mobile app and log in to your account. Then, go to the foreign currency section, usually found under Services or Transfers. Now, select the foreign currency you need and use the currency converter to determine the amount you want to order. Next, click on Start My Order and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase. Confirm the details of your order and make the payment using your Bank of America checking or savings account. Now, choose whether you want to pick up the currency at a financial center or have it delivered to your address. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.